Alright, so here we are. It's Saturday night. Got this thing pretty much all back together now. Just got done putting the exhaust system on it. So that's all on. Trans is in there. Still got the jack under it. But we're going to fire it up. See what it sounds like. It's been a very long time since I heard what it sounded like with the exhaust system on it, so here we go. In reverse right now. I wanted to check the reverse lights. They both work. Well, there we go. That seemed pretty normal. Well, there's no oil pouring out from underneath it, so that's good. All right. Well, that's about it for tonight. We still got to wait a few days for that stuff to cure for the trans mount, and in the meantime we'll button up a couple things in the engine compartment, get the air filter cleaned up, get that on there, and change the oil and filter, and we'll be ready to go.